Good morning. Wow, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng araw. Good morning sa aking dalawang aso. Good morning. Ay. Good morning. Ang dalawang aso. Ikaw. Halika dito. Pasok, pasok. Ayan guys, the sunset is coming out. Ay. Ay. Just wake up. I'm cooking inside. So, a little bit busy this morning. I get some video here outside. It's good with a little bit cold in the morning. Yes, our neighbor is very not cheap. It's good to be there. It's good to be there, guys. This morning, still sleeping, my neighbor. So, there is no leaves. It's okay. Still have it's cold now in the morning. Now already 7 a.m. but the weather is good. This one is our neighbor. This house already like abandoned house. I don't know the owner. Where is the owner of this? I feel sorry about the house. Look. They're built in. I'll take it. Still I feel sorry about this house. Long time ago, no, the owner is not maybe the owner is not I go inside first. I need to finish my cooking. Good morning everyone. Good morning. It's good Jandi. 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 Ano yan? Yung aking aso. Yung kanyang paa eh. So, the sun is coming out now. So, every morning I make a video here because the sun is straight in our door. I still have water here. Ay. Wow. Wow. I'm very excited by dog. Very excited. After clean ha. At yun na. Yun na. After I take a bath with the angel. You always you need to take a bath twice a week. Yeah. Jandi! Jandi! Shh! Shh! Ay, lumabas yata yung aking aso. Jandi! Okay guys, see you later. Saan ka galing? Nauna ka pa sa akin ha. Nauna ka pa sa akin gumala sa labas ha. When I open the door ha. She ran outside. Okay ha. Okay. Naka-exercise ka na sa labas ha. Ayan. Bumalik din siya guys ng kusa. Hindi ko na siya hinabol. Bumalik lang siya. Ayan, hindi pantay yung gupit mo. Pasensya na, hindi pantay yung gupit mo. Tingnan mo, yung gupit niya hindi pantay. Sige lang, mahaba din yan. Mahaba din yung gupit mo. Sige lang, kasi kinukuto kapag mahaba yung gupit mo. Mahaba yung buhok mo, ha? Kinukuto ito pag mahaba na yung kanyang balbon. Kaya every 3 months tinitrim ko siya. Pero kayan lang ay hindi pantay. Sige lang, basta matanggal lang yung mga makapal na. Yung mga hindi pa yan gugupitan ko pa ito. Ay. My son is cleaning our dog outside.